guys, so my name is Winston on Cowboy Ranch Life YouTube channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to go hit the subscribe button down below and follow us on Instagram at Cowboy Ranch Life to see all of the clips that we don't feature on here or sneak peeks before we feature it on here, so you're the first ones to know and be clued in on what we're up to. So today we are working on a Peterbilt rollback single axle truck, and we're replacing the rear driver's side airbag. So what does come with replacing an airbag? What's so exciting about that? Well, I will show you in a minute, but what an airbag does, it's like suspension on air, so it gives you more of a ride. You know, they make them with springs, they make them with airbags, they come from the factory that way, it's not an add-on, but we are major leaks, so when you're driving, just spewing air, and it can get bad enough other major issues. Without anything further to say, I guess, stay tuned and we'll get started. Alright guys, so as you can see, this airbag is the old one, and I don't know that I can find the exact issue, but that comes off, and if you guys can see that, see how weather cracked it is. If actually there probably is the issue. It's fraying, it's coming apart completely on both parts there, and everywhere where it bends, it's leaking. So with that said, guys, the new one's on. Justice is making the video.
Alright, so the airbag is in, ready to go for the next load. No more leaky airbag, as they say. Quick disclaimer, I usually do not lay down on the job, but this does not look very comfortable. Hopefully, I'm not very comfortable, but I had to for this job. But one thing about video, you get to choose when you video and when you're not, so when this goes off video, I will probably be sleeping in about 30 minutes. Well, not yet. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, follow us on the gram, that'd be Cowboy Ranch Life, all one word, and yeah, so stay rested and we'll catch you on the next one.